Are you ready to unlock your inner health superhero? If so, you're in for an incredible journey. In this video, we're diving deep into the 22 incredible health benefits of incorporating salmon into your diet. From supercharging your brain to boosting your heart's health, salmon is your ticket to a healthier you. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready to be amazed as we uncover the extraordinary powers of salmon. It's time to transform your health and become the superhero of your own story. Let's embark on this epic journey to discover the secrets of salmon and unlock your inner health superhero. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and join us as we dive into the world of salmon's superpowers. Your health journey starts now. Now, let's begin with the 22nd benefit. We delve into the protein-packed prowess of salmon. Fitness enthusiasts, get ready to celebrate. Salmon's high-quality protein is your steadfast ally in building and repairing muscles. Whether you're aiming for strength gains or a lean physique, salmon has your back. It's the cornerstone of your journey to fitness excellence, supporting your transformation into a true champion of health and strength. At number 21, we explore how salmon contributes to the promotion of healthy aging. Incorporating salmon into your diet makes age nothing but a mere statistic. Its rich reservoir of antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and vital nutrients form a powerful alliance against oxidative stress. Together, they help maintain your youthful vitality, transforming you into an ageless sea sprite, untouched by the ravages of time. Now, let's talk about number 20, how salmon becomes a guiding light for your digestive system. It's not just about the delicious taste, it offers much more. Salmon's rich omega-3 content and its anti-inflammatory properties are like a soothing balm for your gut. They work in harmony to create a balanced gut environment, which means smoother digestion and, of course, a happier and healthier tummy. Now go to number 19, enhances insulin sensitivity. For those of you navigating the complex realm of blood sugar management, salmon comes to the rescue. It's all about the omega-3s, which act as your trusty allies. These fatty acids help enhance your body's insulin sensitivity, making it easier to regulate blood sugar levels. Thanks to salmon, you can stay in tune with the sweeter side of life without worrying about those pesky sugar spikes. Now, let's delve into number 18, highlighting how salmon supports metabolism, where we explore how salmon's nutritional benefits can rev up your metabolic engine. The nutrients in salmon serve as the fuel that keeps your metabolic furnace burning, which means more efficient calorie burning. This not only aids in weight management, but also contributes to an overall sense of fitness and vitality. Feeling the need for a natural energy booster? Well, number 17 introduces us to salmon's incredible power in this regard. It's packed with high-quality protein and a range of B vitamins, making it the perfect source to fuel your body with the vitality required to conquer each day's adventures. So, if you're looking for that extra energy kick, look no further than salmon. Let's move on to number 16, focusing on how salmon can enhance mood and mental well-being. Picture yourself riding waves of happiness and tranquility. Salmon takes the spotlight here, and it's not just about physical health. Those omega-3s in salmon play a crucial role in supporting serotonin production and overall brain health. The outcome? An improved mood, a reduced risk of depression, and an overall greater sense of mental well-being. So, if you're looking for a mood boost, consider making salmon a part of your diet. Let's now focus on number 15, which highlights how salmon supports healthy pregnancy. Attention all expectant mothers. Salmon is your treasure chest of nutrients, and it's not just for you, but for your little one too. The omega-3s and essential nutrients in salmon are like guardian angels, supporting healthy fetal development and ensuring a smooth journey for both mom and baby. So, for all the moms-to-be out there, consider making salmon a valuable addition to your pregnancy diet. Now, let's talk about number 14, where we explore how salmon becomes your guardian against the shadows of chronic diseases. Salmon's impressive nutrient profile, brimming with antioxidants and omega-3s, is like a formidable shield that stands between you and conditions like diabetes and certain cancers. With salmon as your ally, you're not just eating, you're building a fortress of health that stands strong against the tests of time. Number 13 introduces us to salmon's remarkable ability to act as a peacekeeper within your circulatory system. Those mighty omega-3s step up to the plate by maintaining healthy blood vessel function and reducing inflammation. The result? They help regulate blood pressure, preventing the onset of hypertension and ensuring the smooth flow of life-giving blood. It's like a guardian for your heart and overall well-being. Moving on to number 12, let's explore how salmon supports muscle recovery. It's not just about taste, it's about performance. Packed with high-quality protein, salmon becomes your dedicated assistant in muscle recovery and growth. Think of it as your personal fitness trainer, ensuring that your muscles are always primed and ready for the next challenge. So, whether you're an athlete or just looking to stay fit, salmon has got your back. As we reach number 11, we delve into how salmon benefits not just your muscles, but your bones as well. Salmon's rich nutrient profile, including calcium and vitamin D, goes beyond the delicious taste. It's like a fortress for your bones, making them sturdy and resilient, guarding against conditions like osteoporosis. So, when it comes to overall health, salmon is your ally, ensuring you stay strong from the inside out. Liking this video so far? Before we move on, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health information and tips for leading a healthier life. Now, at number 10, we uncover how salmon is like nature's very own multivitamin. It's packed with a wealth of essential vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, potassium, and selenium. Think of it as a nutritional powerhouse that plays a vital role in contributing to your overall well-being. When you include salmon in your diet, you're giving your body a natural boost of essential nutrients. As we delve into number 9, we uncover how salmon becomes a true friend to your eyes. The omega-3s within salmon serve as a nourishing elixir for your eyes, supporting clarity of vision and ensuring that your world remains vivid and vibrant. So, when it comes to caring for your eyes and maintaining good vision, salmon is a natural choice. Let's move on to number 8, highlighting how salmon aids in weight management. Salmon can be a game changer when it comes to weight management. It's not just about taste, it's about satiety. Salmon's protein and healthy fats are incredibly satisfying, curbing cravings, and keeping you full for longer periods. This makes it a powerful ally in achieving your weight loss or maintenance goals, making healthy eating more achievable and enjoyable. As we dive into number 7, we uncover how salmon goes beyond being a delicacy. It's your immune system's best friend. The nutrients packed in salmon work harmoniously to strengthen your immune system, transforming it into an invincible shield that stands guard against illnesses and infections. So, when you enjoy salmon, you're not just savoring a delicious meal, you're also giving your immune system a powerful boost. At number 6, we discover that salmon isn't just a treat for your taste buds, it's a beauty secret too. You can ditch those expensive beauty treatments because salmon's nutrients work their magic from the inside out. They promote healthy, radiant skin and luscious hair, giving you the glowing aura of a sea goddess that radiates beauty and confidence. So, when you choose salmon, you're not just nourishing your body, you're also enhancing your natural beauty. As we explore number 5, we uncover the incredible benefits salmon offers to your joints. Picture yourself moving through life with the agility of a ninja, and you can thank salmon's omega-3s for that. These fatty acids act like joint lubricants, easing stiffness, and ensuring your joints remain nimble, pain-free, and ready to take on any challenge. So, when it comes to joint health, salmon becomes your secret weapon. As we delve into number 4, we unveil one of salmon's superpowers, the ability to combat inflammation. Inflammation is often the culprit behind various health issues, but salmon's omega-3s step in as the hero. These mighty nutrients possess anti-inflammatory properties that can ease your body's distress, helping you stay at the peak of your health. So, when it comes to fighting inflammation, salmon is a true lifesaver. At number 3, we unravel the surprising twist in our list: salmon's incredible support for brain function. Think of indulging in salmon as giving your brain a turbo boost. The omega-3s present in salmon play a pivotal role in enhancing memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. It's like upgrading your brain's processing power, turning you into the sharp-minded mastermind of your life's endeavors. So, when it comes to mental prowess, salmon becomes your secret weapon. Now, at number 2, we dive into how salmon becomes a champion for your heart. Salmon's omega-3s don't just benefit the brain, they're also your heart's best friends. These healthy fats work wonders by reducing the risk of heart disease. It's as if they create a protective shield around your heart, fending off potential harm and keeping it strong and resilient. So, when it comes to your heart's well-being, salmon is a true lifesaver. Now, for our number 1, we uncover the true crown jewel of salmon, its high omega-3 fatty acid content. Imagine these omega-3s as your brain's loyal guardians. These fatty acids are essential for brain health, promoting proper neural function and reducing inflammation. In a way, they're like the vigilant protectors of your mind and body, ensuring that your brain remains sharp and vibrant. So, never skip the chance to enjoy the many incredible benefits of salmon. In conclusion, we've embarked on a journey through the 22 incredible health benefits of incorporating salmon into your diet. From brain-boosting omega-3s to heart health and vibrant skin, salmon truly stands as a superfood. But this isn't where the story ends. It's just the beginning. Now, it's your turn. Embrace salmon as a delicious and powerful ally in your quest for a healthier, more vibrant life. Don't miss the chance to unlock your inner health superhero. Start savoring the many rewards of salmon today. Subscribe and like, and share this video. And let's continue our health and wellness journey together. Thanks for watching.